Welcome to my channel Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Today, we will discuss top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. 1. Peacock from India. The peacock is often called the most beautiful bird on earth. Its large, colorful tail feathers shimmer in blue, green, and gold, especially during its famous dance displays. Its special feature is its fan-shaped iridescent tail, and also it's a symbol of beauty and royalty. 2. Mandarin duck from China. It's known for its vibrant mix of orange, purple, blue, and green. The mandarin duck looks like a living painting. Its special feature is bright multicolored feathers, meaning love and fidelity in Asia culture. 3. Resplendent quetzal from Central America. This bird has long emerald green feathers and a bright red chest, making it one of the most stunning tropical birds. Special feature: long, flowing tail feathers, symbolizing freedom and wealth. 4. Golden pheasant from China. With a golden crest, fiery red body, and colorful wings, the golden pheasant truly lives up to its name. Special feature is golden head feathers, and its habitat is mountain forests. 5. Scarlet macaw from South America. Famous for its loud voice and striking red, blue, and yellow colors, this parrot is both intelligent and beautiful. Special features are bright primary colors, and its lifespan is up to 50 years. 6. Birds of paradise from Papua New Guinea. These birds are known for their unbelievable feathers and courtship dances that look almost unreal. A special feature of this group is their dramatic mating displays, and they comprise over 40 different species. 7. Blue jay from North America. These birds are known for their unbelievable feathers, and the blue jay's sharp blue and white plumage and intelligent nature make it one of the most attractive birds. Dances that look almost unreal. It is known for its bright blue feathers and its ability to mimic sounds. 8. Himalayan monal from Himalayan region. This bird shines with metallic green, purple, and copper colors that change in sunlight. It has rainbow-like plumage and is the national bird of Nepal. 9. Toucan from South America. Toucans are famous for their large, colorful beaks, which look heavy but are surprisingly light. It has an oversized beak and feeds mostly on fruits. 10. Flamingo from worldwide. Flamingos are loved for their pink feathers and elegant stance. Their color comes from the food they eat. It is known for its pink coloration and the fun fact that it stands on one leg to conserve heat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.